On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord lag or crashing easily and fast. So all what you have to do is keep watching until the end. So first step, open the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps and go to the Discord. Now this is the app informations as you can see. All what you have to do here, first thing is click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Click on the notifications, make sure that all the notifications are enabled like this. Go back, click on the permissions and the same thing, make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. Now click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and then enable the manage automatically option, click OK. Go back, click on the data usage and make sure that everything is enabled like this. Now last thing you want to do is just restart your phone and reopen the Discord and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have to remove Discord from your phone and then reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.